Hi, this is SL.No.14. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude towards Makaam Sport Enterprise during production for providing such an excellent platform through this reels competition. It has truly been a great opportunity for me to showcase my talent and learn so much along the way. And I also deeply thankful to each and everyone for supporting me. Your likes, shares, and comments, and your encouragement, it means a lot to me and motivated me to give my best. Your support is not only to build my confidence, but it helped me to improving and moving myself into further. And this journey would not be possible without any opportunity of what given by the organization, that is Makaam Sport Enterprise, Terrain Production, and constant support of all of yours. So I really grateful for everything that I received. Thank you once again for the love and support.